hair. Oh.
Like I said,
Yeah, he's in
Alfred Hitchcock is alive and well in Oklahoma City.
Oh my God. Oh man, I can't. This is creeping me out too bad. I'm not the only one going. Yeah, I know. Look, see, they're dive bombing him. Look. He thinks it's cool. I think it's gross. Oh, look, they're all lined up. Oh. See, look. Ew! Sean, oh my God. Oh. If one comes in the window, I'm going to have a heart attack. You know that, right? Oh my God, look at them all. Fuck. Shit, this is from the fucking movie. Oh, oh my God.
KJ103 slow jams.
What the hell? Oh, shit.
I'm calling from Oklahoma City area.
All right, and tonight you've got a message
Everybody's
going out to who?
freaking out. You see that?
Shay,
So it's
What do you
not
wanna
just
tell
me.
her?
It is creepy.
I'd like to tell her that it's
Oh my God, on
really
people's
nice
cars.
talking to her
Oh,
and everything, and I
hell.
hope you can keep it going. I'd
Oh.
like to hope that you will.
All right, here you go, KJ103.
Having fun?
Yep.
Oh God! Son of a bitch! Oh! Oh my God, Sean! I'm serious. One comes in the car, I'm out the fucking window. Oh, fuck! Oh. Oh, holy crap. Oh, man. How can this possibly be cool? Oh God, look at them all. How gross. Oh my God, they're all over the cars down there. Oh, oh, and look at the trees, they're black. Oh, oh. Oh, my gross. Oh, like, oh man. Oh God, Sean, I can't look. Oh. Good grief. What in the world? That was horrible. I've never seen so many birds in the freaking parking lot before. Oh my God. And they were everywhere on everybody's car. They were dive bombing people just like in the movie. Ew, and you walk by and they're all staring at you. Ugh. They do. You notice that? They all go, you walk by, they all turn their heads and watch.
Where are they going then? Nevermore, Eleanor.
No, they're going to go pluck your eyeballs out like in that movie. Watch her run through the parking lot screaming.